Suggestions for successful working of CDP. A number of suggestions have been made for the successful working of community development program. They are as follows. One, greater stress is called for increasing agricultural production, both quantitatively and qualitatively, in order to meet the needs of the country's fast multiplying rural population. Second, the community development projects should lay utmost stress upon the solution of problems peculiar to the localities. 3. Only those officials having expertise in rural psychology should be appointed. Both male and female oaks should be selected or appointed from among the villages themselves. They should undergo extensive training in social work. Efforts should be made to motivate them to work in the villages with missionary soil and spirit of service. Five, efforts should be made to impress upon the ruralities that the community development program is not oriented to any specific group. Rather, it is for the entire village. Community development work should be so arranged that cooperation of all caste, classes and parties become available. Six, efforts should be made to involve reputed voluntary agencies in the community development projects. A harmonious nexus between governmental agencies and non-governmental agencies will go a long way in making the program a signal success. Seven, the development of the village community should come sustainably and essentially from the people themselves. The government being only a guide and source of the ability which the people themselves cannot provide. Eight, Balwant Roy Committee has suggested that village panchayats and panchayat samitis should function as the absolute instruments for making the program a success. Thank you. Have a nice day.